Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. This is the picture that I got the style inspiration from. I used scuba nets, 4 yards of scuba nets and 30 yards of the trimmings. 4 yards of scuba nets and 30 yards of the trimmings. I bought the trimmings 500 naira per yard. I first of all bought 20 yards. Along the line, it wasn't enough, so I went back to the market to purchase another 10 yards, making a total of 30 yards for the trimmings. On the table, I have 4 yards of scuba net, and this is how the trimmings looks like. You can screenshot and zoom it. The trimmings, it comes in different colors, so you can buy any color of your choice. I'll first of all fold the fabric into two. Then I will fold in a triangular shape. I impute my shoulder measurement plus 1 inch. Then I rule my starting line. I measured neck width 3.5 inches, neck depth for the back 1 inch. Neck depth for the front 7 inches. On the shoulder line, I came down 1 inch for the shoulder slope. Then I connect it to the neck width. Next, I measured my armhole depth. I usually use 9 inches, but I use 10 inches because it is a free dress. I impute 10 inches for the armhole depth. Next, I impute my bust measurement plus 3 inches. Shoulder to my waistline is 17 inches. At that point, I impute my waist measurement plus 3 inches. For the length of the dress, I use the total length of the fabric for the length. So I move upward to impute the measurement that I got round the fabric. It is a short dress. I decided to go with the total length of the dress because the inches that I saw there, I knew it was enough for me. So you can adjust it to your preference. Then I connect from the chest to the waist, and from the waist I slant it to the hem line. Then I make sure that the waist is curved. I blend it nicely. Before cutting it out, I added joining allowance to the shoulder. Next, I cut it out. After cutting, I separated the back bodies from the front bodies. Then I cut out the front neckline. After that, I cut out facing for the neckline. I realized that the side was too wide, so I decided to reduce the side a little. Then I measure 1 inch upward at the edge. I blend it to the middle and I cut it out. I cut out sleeve from the leftover fabric. I cut out facing for the necklines. I also cut out pockets from the leftover fabric. This pocket is optional. I place the bodies together to mark the start of my pocket. I measure from my shoulder down to 17.5 inches and I notch it. This is where your creativity comes in. On the right side of the fabric, you rule a straight line on your waistline or any part of the bodies where you want the design to start from. Then you will measure what you have on the width and divide it according to your preference. This is where you need to be calculative and be creative. Divide the width of your bodies and determine how you want the spacing to be. For the design, you can decide to draw a straight line. You can decide to curve it a little. You can decide to draw any shape of your choice at this point. As you can see on the screen, The style inspiration has both long and short design. You can follow suit or you create your own pattern. So after drawing the long design, in between the lines, we decided to draw shorter version of it. If you look closely, you will observe that we have very long shape, medium length, and a small length. Three different lines. Long one, medium length, and small length. So you are going to repeat this process on the back bodies as well. After you have finished creating the lines, then you will place your trimmings on it following the shape you created. You are going to stitch it on the right side following the shape of the design you marked on the bodies. You will also repeat the same thing on the back bodies and also on the sleeve. After sewing the trimmings to the bodies and on the sleeve, then you will join the sleeve to the bodies. I used hemming gum to hem the lower part of the dress, and the edge of the sleeve I also used hemming gum as well, the original one. The dress is very easy to make, as you can see. We've come to the end of today's tutorial. If you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you've not done so. I upload weekly tutorial on my channel. Also remember to click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.